So we're going to begin our social studies lesson by pulling out our orange folders, boys and girls. Okay, so go ahead and open it up. You're going to pull out your Holidays Around the World booklet. And on the front cover of this book, there's like a little island right there. That is Greenland. That's what we're going to learn about today. And I had you watch the video on 10 things that are to know about Greenland, because it's a big island, one of the biggest islands in the world. However, because it is so close to the North Pole and so cold, not a lot of people live there. Okay, so there it is right there. It's part of North America over here. Okay, so, but it's actually connected to Finland, and Finland is actually over here, which is closer to it. That little island right there is Iceland, which is actually more green than Greenland is. It's a little bit confusing, but the important thing to know is that Greenland is really close to the North Pole. So I'm going to show you this first before we work on our pages. This says Christmas in Greenland. So you can see it's not really green. It's all icy and snow covered. Okay. So it says Greenland is one of the closest countries to the North Pole. So if you live there, you live closest to Santa. Places in Greenland are so cold that Christmas trees can't grow there. Okay, they don't have, like if you saw in the video, they don't have a long enough growing season. Okay, children call Santa Father Christmas. Families leave Christmas decorations up until January 6th, and that is the Feast of the Epiphany. So remember, Jesus was born on Christmas Day. The star lit up the sky, and then the wise men were following that star to find Jesus. And they found Jesus on the 12th day of Christmas, which is January 6th. Okay, so I'm going to show you this. So this is the flag of Greenland. It's red and white, so it's got like a red, like the sunset right there, and then under here is like red water, okay, and then there's a reflection in the water that's white. And then if you look here on the map, there's Greenland right there, and right there where it's showing you right there it's almost touching the North Pole right there. So I wanted to show you that. Okay, so we're going to open our Greenland pages in this booklet. Okay, so we're going to go past Mexico, and there's Greenland. Okay, so here we go. You're going to take your red marker first and color the flag. Okay, so we're going to come around like this. It's got the red up here. Okay, and you leave the rest of the top of the flag white. Okay, and then down here, you're going to leave the circle white, but color the part around the circle, that rectangular part around the circle is going to be red. So color that in red. And you can please use your red marker or your red crayon, okay? Not pink, use red, okay? All right. So once I get done coloring that, I'm gonna put the cap on that, okay? So this says Christmas in Greenland, and it shows how they're wearing really warm clothes. They have to, it's really cold up there. Greenland is very close to the North Pole. It is very cold. They call Santa Father Christmas. Okay, so it would be a good place for building snowmen. Okay, Christmas in Greenland, and there's Father Christmas in that circle right there. Greenland is one of the closest countries to the North Pole. So you're gonna take right here, we're gonna underline North and Pole, and we're gonna copy that. There's two lines right here. So North is capital N O R T H. That's how you write north. And then the second word here is pole. So P O L E, North Pole. Places in Greenland are so cold that Christmas trees, there's two words right there that I underlined, Christmas trees, can't grow there. So we're going to write the word Christmas here. So it's Christmas is with a capital C, then H R I S T. So that's Christ also. M-A-S. Christmas, and then we have to write the word trees. They used a capital T, so that's okay. T-R-E-E. Christmas trees can't grow there. They eat mattock. Okay, so that's a type of food. M-A-T-T-A-K, which is whale skin with blubber inside. So imagine, blubber means fat. So they're eating the skin of the whale with the fat inside, okay? Families leave Christmas decorations up until January 6th. So draw a picture about Christmas in Greenland, okay? So today, what we're going to draw to show Christmas in Greenland is, we'll go ahead and, well, they don't have Christmas trees, so that means we're going to draw the North Pole because they are the closest to the North Pole. So to draw the North Pole, you're going to draw a rectangle. Okay, so that's North Pole with a circle on top, and you just draw the stripes. Okay, and if you want, you can draw a snowman next to it because it's just really, really cold there. Imagine, you know, Santa lives where it snows all the time. Okay, so I'm going to make my little snowman next to it. Give him a carrot nose. Give him some twig arms. Give him a little scarf. And some buttons. And I don't have to color the snowman. I don't have to color the snowman. But I'll color the North Pole. Like a red and white candy cane. Excuse me. And then I'm going to put a hat on my snowman. I don't have to color my snowman because he's all white, but I'm going to give him coal for eyes, some coal buttons. I'll use my brown marker to give him some twig arms. And then I'm going to give my snowman like a little green scarf around his neck, and then I have to give him his carrot nose, right? I'll give him a little red mouth there. I'll find my orange to give him a carrot nose. Okay. So, because they're closest to the North Pole, to where Santa lives. So that's it for today. You don't have to color any of the other pictures because we're doing Zero the Hero today, and that's a longer lesson. So we'll go ahead and keep this as a shorter lesson. But if you want, you can color Father Christmas. You can fill in the bubble letters for Greenland, color those in. You can color your hot cocoa. And then if you want, you can go back and color the children and the snowman and the children of Greenland, okay? So, but that's it for this one today. I'm going to put my exit ticket right here. And yes, if you have time, you can go ahead and color the rest of that, or even color the front cover if you haven't done that yet too, okay? All right, well then we'll just put that away. Okay, I hope you enjoyed learning about Christmas in Greenland today, boys and girls.